the kitchen, and this bird just flies up and is just chilling here. We've been having a little conversation, making eye contact. He's very comfortable on the kitchen window. My little bird friend chilling. He's seriously been like resting here for a minute now. I don't think he has any plans of leaving. Maybe it's just so comfortable. He's enjoying the view. Hey, little birdie. Yeah, he's chilling. Anybody send a letter? I don't see no letter or anything. He's just looking at me. I'm looking at him. We just, okay. Oh, so you just gonna sit there. All right, then.
He just flew in. His wings are tired.
He's like, oh, where's Emma?
That was so scary.
Look at it. He's just sitting here. He's not going anywhere. This is just crazy. Okay, it's been a minute now. My friend the bird is still here. I don't think he plans on going anywhere. He's chilling, resting. He's like, chill, it's too hot out here to be flying all around, talking to people, looking at stuff. Oh, birdie. Yeah, look at him just making eye contact, like he's seriously looking at me. Scary, very scary, so surreal.